Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. How about we make these ooey, gooey, super fudgy, delicious brownies in the air fryer. This recipe couldn't be easier, and these are very, very good. In here I have half a cup of unsalted butter, and I have an ounce of unsweetened baker's chocolate. I'm simply gonna put this into the microwave. You know, every 30 seconds, I'll stir it until it's all nice and melted and bring it back out. So if you don't have a microwave, go ahead and do this on top of, put your bowl on top of a pot with a little bit of water. Don't let the bowl touch the boiling water, and then just do it in a double boiler, okay? All right, that was a minute inside the microwave. I'm just going to stir it for the chocolate to melt. And then I'm going to set it aside and wait for it to cool down so we can continue our recipe. You don't want to make this with hot butter, guys. Your eggs are gonna cook, so please don't skip that step. This recipe can be made in a 6 or 7 inch cake pan. I am going to put all of the metric measurements at the bottom here in the description box, as always. Grams and centimeters and centigrade, all that, okay? I don't have a 6 or 7 inch pan, but I do have these little silicone cups. So I'm gonna make my brownies in these. I am sure that you can use small muffin cups as well. For our dry ingredients, I have a 1/3 cup of flour. I have 2/3 cups of unsweetened dark cocoa powder. I have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I am gonna go ahead and just mix all of this until it's nice and mixed. All right, our butter is cool enough now. I'm going to add 2 eggs at room temperature. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm just going to mix the wet ingredients into the dry. And I'm gonna mix it in. We don't wanna overmix this. All we want is for all the dry ingredients to be wet and everything to be mixed in well, but that's it. This is a very thick batter, as you can see. I almost feel like just putting a spoon in there and eating it and not bothering baking it. I'm going to lightly spray these. And I'm gonna spoon this in. All right, I'll do this with all of these and I'll come back. I preheated this at 310 for 5 minutes. And now I'm just gonna put some parchment paper in there. I'm going to place these on top. I will work in batches, so that is what they're looking like. We are going to cook these at 310 for about 10 minutes and we'll check them. So I'm gonna check and see if these are ready. They're still a little wet. I'm gonna put them back for another 2 minutes. All right, that did the trick. 2 more minutes and they're ready. I'm gonna cook the other 4 that I have left over. I have 12 in total. I'm gonna let these cool down completely before we try them. They smell pretty divine. After these have cooled down, I'm going to take them out of their little container and we'll eat them, okay? Aren't those cute? They're still hot though. So let's taste this. Look at that. Oh yes. The top of the brownie is like the end of the brownie. You know how everybody wants the corner with a little, crunch. It's fabulous. Underneath, you've got this fudgy, gooey brownie that is just fabulous. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it and you'll give me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to sub, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Please comment and share this video. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow.